Hello friends, on lesson 1.22 under factorization, lesson 1.2, then B. So we looked at A, which is common factor, then B we're going to look at grouping terms. Okay, grouping terms. So what's the difference between common factor and grouping terms? So here is the difference. Common factor, we look for what is common in all the terms. But when you look at this, can 2 go into 8? Yes. Can 2 go into 3? No. Can 2 go into 12? Yes. Unless it goes in all the terms, you can't factorize by common factor. Okay? Do you have x here? Yes. X here? No. No. X here? Yes. Here? Yes. Here you don't have. Even here you don't have. Even y. That's why we factorize by grouping. There's what is common here and what is common here, group them together. If there's what is common here and here, group them together and factorize. Are we together? Okay, let's do this together. Okay. So this is how it's done. Yes, these two, there is what is common in these two. Even here there is what is common there, which is -3. -3 can go here and can go into 12. So that is grouping them. So we're going to factorize these by common factor, these two. By common factor, the first lesson A, the previous lesson, then even that side. Okay, we'll put them into two groups. So what is common here? 2 is common, so we're going to say 2 there is common. And also x is the common factor. Then 2 into 2, 2 will cancel. X and x will also cancel. We remain with what? Y. I hope you're following. This side will remain with y. Then we come here. 2 into 8, 4. And it's positive. So let's say positive 4. X and this x will cancel. So it's just 4. Then we'll do like this. We close. So we are done with these two, then we go to this side. Okay? This is what it means factorizing by grouping. Okay? Now, this is -3. Okay? And -3 can go into 2. So we're going to write -3 here. Okay? Open bracket. -3 into -3, we remain with positive what? Y. Negative divided by negative, it is positive. 3 into 12 is 4. Okay? 4 times. Just there, let me mention this. Before you waste your time in the exam, by the way, these examination questions, this is a compilation of examination questions. Before you waste your time in the exam, you should know what you are doing. Listen, when you reach this stage, okay? When you are at this stage, what is in the bracket here, this side and this side, must be equal, must be the same. Okay? Look, here there is y plus 4, even this side there is y plus 4. So it means that you are doing the correct thing. Okay? Now, what do? We have two terms now. We have two terms. We have this term here and this side. Okay, so you can factorize it by common factor. Okay, so we have what is common, this side and this side. All right, which is y plus x, y plus 4, sorry, y plus 4. Then we're going to open the bracket. So y plus 4 and y plus 4 will cancel. We remain with 2 what? 2x. Okay, then this and this will also cancel, remain with minus what? -3. And this is the answer. Okay? That is the answer. In other words, listen. Don't even panic here if you have not understood. We will understand in the other 3 remaining questions. So listen, as long as here you've identified one of these two, write it in the bracket. Okay? One of these, write it in the bracket, then you write whatever term is in front of, whatever variable or number is in front of this, write it here, then join it with whatever number is here or variable which is here, okay, or an expression which is here. So in this case it's minus 3. You understand when we go to the next example. Remember what I said? This examination what? Very good. Now, when you look at that one again, we're going to check. Do you have what is common throughout in all of the 4 terms because of 1, 2, 3, 4? If you don't know how to count number of terms, it means that you didn't watch lesson 1, which is 1.0, when I was explaining the issue of like and unlike terms. The issue of terms. So here are 4 terms of 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the first 2 terms, do you have what is common? Yes, which is x. The last 2, 5 can go into 5 and into 10. So we can factorize by grouping as well. We're going to group these 2 and these 2. Okay? So we're going to say, what is common here? X is common. Okay? So we're going to open the bracket. Only x is common. In terms of numbers, there is an invisible one which is common, and it's already written there as an invisible one. Okay? Then x and this x will cancel, remaining with 2 what? 2y, and we're going to write it inside the bracket as 2y. Positive divided by positive, it is positive. X into x is 1. So 1, you need to write it there. X into x is 1. Then you go the other side. What is common here? It is negative what? Negative 5. Not just 5, but with each sign, negative what? Negative 5. Okay? Open bracket. Negative, negative, positive. 5 into 10, it is 2y. Remember, they have to be the same here. So, yes. Negative divided by negative, positive. 5 into 5, 1. You see? And now the same. Like what I told you, remember what I told you? That here you can just write what one of these 2 expressions that are in the bracket, 2y plus 1. Then here you can write whatever is here, which is x, combine it with this one minus 5, and this is the answer. Likewise, you can prove if your answer is correct by expanding these double brackets. Remember that lesson. That's why don't skip any lesson under algebra. Are we together, my friends? Don't skip any lesson. You can factorize at your own time, factorize this, then they'll lead you to this question, okay, to the original question. All right, let's look at this. Now, this one, the first 2, there is x, there is c, okay. This is also okay. So what is common here is x, okay. 2 can go into 2, but it can't go into 3. So we're going to leave these the way they are. Are we together? We're going to just write what is common, which is x. All right. This x dot x squared, then open bracket, x into x squared. First 2 will come the way it is as 2. X into x squared will just remain with what? X. Positive divided by negative, it is negative. X into x there will just remain with 3. X will cancel, it's just 1. Okay. Then here, what is common here? It is positive. That's right. Don't write with a symbol. Don't just with a sign. Either positive or negative. Don't just write x. X what? No. It is positive x or positive whatever number. So in this case, it's not positive x. It's going to be positive what? C. C is what is common here. Are we together? Okay. Then open bracket. So whatever we're going to do here must be equal to this one. What is inside here? Okay. So c and c will cancel, remaining with 2 what? 2x. Positive, negative is minus. This c and that c will cancel, remaining with what? 3. You see? They're just equal, the same here. All right? They're the same, meaning we're doing the correct things. The final answer, therefore, 2, write one of these, 2x minus 3, okay, like this, open bracket, x plus c, x plus c. This is the answer. Are we together, my friends? Okay, so that is the answer. Okay, mathematics is nice. All right, can we go to D? Let's go to D. Let's hope you're copying. Let's go to D. So D, which is the last question, we're still factorizing completely. The first two, do you have what is common? There is 5 even here, 5. There is P even here, P. Okay. So if you have nothing common between the first two, then there is something common in the third or fourth. Arrange them. Okay. Then factorize by grouping. Okay. So here, yeah, we're going to continue the way it is. 5 is common here, so we're going to write it. 5. P is also common, we're going to write P. Open bracket. 5P, 5 cancel, P will cancel, remain with what? X. Positive, negative, it is negative. 5 and 5 will cancel, P and P will cancel, we remain with what? Y, like this. So after just writing that, you should know that even the other side in brackets you should have x minus y. Yes, let's try. What is common here? There is 3, there is 3. So we're going to get this one, which is positive 3. Okay, even Q, all right. Q is also common. There's Q here, there is Q even that side. Are we together? So what we're going to do, we're going to divide. 3 cancel, Q cancel, remain with what? X. That is simple. Okay. Oh, by the way, before I finish, mathematics is simple. You just need to follow the rules. Okay? Follow the rules. And what? You enjoy mathematics after following its rules. Okay? Okay. Positive, negative, it is negative. 3Q cancel, remain with just y. You see, they're just the same. Then the final answer will be x minus y in brackets. Then here, 5p plus 3q. And this is the final answer. Okay, so guys, this is what we've done. We've looked at grouping terms. So we are done, and these are examination questions. So we're done with the first two common factors, grouping terms. We're just remaining with the 2. Okay, they're just advancing, and the more they advance, that's the more they're getting interesting. Okay, grouping terms. The next is factorizing by quadratic expression. Factorizing a quadratic expression. Bonus question. All right, so we have this bonus question. This bonus question is coming from 2022 paper 1. 2022 paper 1, and we asked to factorize completely. Okay, so the first thing is first to check if at all you have what is common between the first and the second term. If you don't have what is common, then let's say here there is A and here there is A, you bring this one here. Okay, you collect them, not like terms, no, but where there is a common factor, you group them. That's the meaning of grouping what? Grouping terms. But the way it is here, if they're just okay, leave them the way they are. There is an A here, there is an A. That's because there is X here and then have X and there is X here, you should bring them here. No, you're just wasting your time. check. You have already what is common here, A, and here you have B, B. Even if you don't have X here, X is here, Y here, Y here, you keep on changing. But when you look at the way it is here, it's just perfect. Let's factorize the way it is. But if it can't be factorized, it means that you need to group them. Okay, you need to group these terms nicely. Now, 2 can go into 4, so 2 is common. Okay, 2 is common. A is also common. So 2 what? 2A. 2A and 2A, this will cancel, just remain with what? X. 2 into 4 is positive 2. A and A will cancel, just remain with Y. Okay, 2x plus 2y. How about this side? Can 3 go into 6? Yes. This is negative 3, so it will be like this, negative 3. Are we together? Okay, negative 3, then B. So negative 3b, like that. Okay, then this negative 3b and negative 3b will cancel, just remain with what? X. Negative is positive there. 3 into 6, it is 2 times b, and b will cancel, just remain with what? Y. You see? Then you write x plus 2y. X plus 2y is common, so just write x plus 2y in brackets. Okay, don't forget that. Open bracket, then you write 2a, whatever is here, 2a, then this is minus, so minus 3b. Okay, minus 3b, the way it is, and this is the answer. Okay, so let's go to the exercise. So guys, this is your work. This is your work. I'm just giving you 4 questions. First one is from 2016, then the second one 2019, paper 1. All these are from paper 1, then 2020, paper 1 GCE, 2022, paper 1 GCE. Okay, so these are your questions. So embarrass them. I believe, I trust you guys. Okay, you can do it.